Dear students of Standard 6, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your class of Islam and Moral Education. Today our lesson is Rules for Performing Salat. Any kind of error in saying prayers lessens its importance. Allah does not accept salat if performed for exhibitionism or in an absent mind. So, as a Muslim, we should perform salat with proper attention and discipline. We know among the 5 pillars of Islam, prayer or salat is the second one. Salat is an important form of worship. It is very important to perform this worship in the way shown by the great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. In this connection, the great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "Perform your prayers in the manner you saw me doing so." Before beginning to pray, one must be in a state of cleanliness that can be done by performing ablution or wudu. In cases, tayammum or ghusl can also be acceptable methods for purification or cleanliness for prayer. We also have to ensure that our prayer area is also clean. We can put down a mat facing the direction of the Qibla and shall stand facing the Qibla and fix our eyes towards the place of Sijda. At first, a proper intention or niyat that we want to pray is to be made, which can be in mind or verbally. Then, with palms open, we shall raise our hands to our ears and say the takbir, Allahu Akbar, meaning Allah is the greatest. For women, hands should be raised up to the shoulders. After takbir, for men, right hand should be placed over left hand below the navel and grabbing left wrist with right hand. However, women will lock their hands on their chests. After takbir, we shall read Sana. Subhanaka Allahumma bihamdika wa tabarakasmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghairuka. Then we shall utter A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim and recite Surah Fatiha. Then we shall recite a surah or at least a long ayat or minimum 3 small ayats of any surah. Note that a surah is read following Surah Fatiha in the first 2 rakats of any first salat of 3 or 4 rakats. That is, in the 3rd and 4th rakats only Surah Fatiha is to be read, but in all the rakats of any sunnat, wajib and nafal salat, a surah or ayats are to be read after Surah Fatiha. Then we shall bend on ruku saying Allahu Akbar, and on ruku we shall read Subhana Rabbiyal Azim at least 3 times. Ruku is the position where we need to keep our head and back aligned and put our hands on our knees. After that, we shall come to standing position saying Sami Allahu liman hamida. While standing, we shall say Rabbana lakal hamd. Then we shall go to Sijda uttering Allahu Akbar. While in Sijda, we shall read Subhana Rabbiyal Ala at least 3 times. Next, we shall say Allahu Akbar and sit straight, resting our hands on thighs with fingers reaching the knees. Saying Allahu Akbar, we shall go for the second Sijda as well and utter Subhana Rabbiyal Ala at least 3 times and again stand up back and cross our arms just as before. This represents one complete rakat of salat. We shall perform the second rakat in the same way, saying Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, except Sana. After completing the second Sijda of the second rakat, we shall stay seated straight and read Tashahud, Dorud and Dua Masura, and then turn our head towards right and then towards left, uttering Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this way, the salat consisting of 2 rakats is completed. For the third and fourth rakat prayers, the process is the same as usual. The difference is that only tashahud is to be read after the second rakat in a salat consisting of 3 and 4 rakats. Then one has to stand straight and perform as before. And also in the third and fourth rakat, only Surah Fatiha is to be read. After saying Amin, it is not necessary to recite any other surah or ayats, and we shall go straight into ruku and sijda and follow accordingly and conclude salat. It is to be remembered that if the salat is wajib, sunnat or nafal, some other surah or ayats has to be read with Surah Fatiha in the third and fourth rakats. Again, it is recommended to offer dua after salat, especially after the first prayers. At the time of performing prayers, one has to be certain about the fact that no condition of the prayer is omitted. One has to be fully attentive towards Allah in a holy state of the body and the mind. One has to remember that he or she is standing before Allah and he is observing him or her. Thank you, dear students.